A very fresh good morning to my dear viewers. I am Gaurav, student of class 12 from Lucky Baliketan Senior Secondary School. My topic is Python. Python is a programming language. But what is a programming language? A programming language is a language which is used to communicate with computer. We use language to communicate with people. So to communicate with computer and use its tools and resources which required a programming language. So, what is Python? Python is high-level general-purpose interpreted object-oriented programming language with dynamic semantics designed for readability and ease of use. If we decode word by word, Python is high-level in nature. It means it can be user-readable. General purpose, it can be used for various purposes: web application, web development, AI development. Interpreted. Python is interpreted language. It reads code line by line, and if there is an error, it gives the error, and if there is no error, it runs the code line by line and give the output. Object oriented language programming with dynamic semantics. Python is dynamic in nature, or you can say Python is dynamically typed. It means the variables in Python easily adjust their data type according to the value given to them. Designed for readability and ease of use. Python is developed so it can be easily used by people. What are the uses of Python? Web development. Python is widely used for services backend with web development, powering dynamic websites and web application. Nowadays, we see websites, web application, but how we make it? We use Python or any kind of programming language like C++, Java. So Python is also used to make web applications. Data science and analysis. Python is dominant language in data science used for data manipulation, cleaning, analysis, and visualization. Use or to handle data stored in databases, we use Python to fetch, to control, or kind of you can manipulate it. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Today we say there's a high craze or high demand of artificial intelligence in our society. To use them, to understand them, to make them, we need Python. So creator of Python is Guido von Rossum. Guido von Rossum created Python in February 1991. It was considered as a successor to the ABC programming language. ABC is also programming language to successor, but I got a successor of ABC language. These are the advantages and disadvantages of Python language. Python is ease of learning and use. Python has very simple syntax which can be easily understand and use. So ease of learning. Comprehensive libraries and machine learning. Python have pandas and other libraries which can be used by a coder to use data more clearly and manipulate it. Free and open source. Python is free and open source. It means its source code is freely available and can be easily used by people. There are no paid charges for using Python. And here are the disadvantages. Slow execution speed. As I earlier said, Python is an interpreted language, so it reads code line by line. So it takes some time to run the code, so it's slow. Dynamically typed. Python is dynamically typed. Sometimes it is very hard for the user to understand data types. High memory consumption. As Python is dynamically typed, it requires high memory consumption, which is sometimes not good for the computer or the user. So this is the ideally integrated developing learning environment. This is the basic environment or interface which opens when you open the Python. You see, this is here you can write the code, and when you execute it, it will give the output. A Python is also have a script mode. Script mode. This is the script mode. In ideally, you can run code, but after exiting, your code will automatically erase. But in script mode, you have a feature that you can easily save the code. So when you come again, the code is still there. So there is a question. This is the file mode, and this is the code. A is a variable, B is also a variable, and A and B are value assigned 60 and 30. You see, A is a variable. A variable is a container, or you can say a memory location of data. Here, the data type of A and B is numericals or integer. Why? Because Python automatically adjusts its data type according to the value given. But in C language, you have to define it. But in Python, it is automatically done because it's dynamic type. So when we perform functions, print is a function. In brackets, this addition. Addition in double quotes. It means the things written in double quotes will not be executed. It will directly print it as it is. And after that, this function applied. Arithmetic operation. A plus B means 60 plus 30. In the next line, say again subtraction. A minus B means 60 minus 30. B means 60 multiplied by 30. A divided by B. The code after going in run program, it will run the code, and if there is kind of any error, it will give an error. So, but if there is no error, it will run the code. When you run the code, an output will come. You see addition as it is, no kind of change because it was in double quotation, but in 90 because in addition we read A plus B, 60 plus 30, 90, 60 minus 30, 30, 60 multiplied by 30, 1800, and 60 divided by 32. It is in float because we do not use double slash, but if you double slash, it will be not in float, it will only be constant. Thank you.